Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Kanika Jain this side from Handmade by Kanika, and in this video I shall be unboxing my new DT kit from Dress My Craft. But before moving forward, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you never miss an update from us. So let's get started. So on my Instagram I posted a story that would you like to see the DT kit unboxing haul. So as 93% people said yes, so I thought let's make a video and show you all that what all products I ordered in my February month DT kit. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well, the link is in description box. So that's how my DT kit looks like. It is the February month DT kit. I know it's a little late to unbox the February month DT kit, but I ordered it a little late as I was off work. So now quickly let's get into it. So I ordered a lot of stuff this time, so make sure you watch the full video. So starting off here I have the sequins. This is the copper mix sequins from Dress My Craft and this is how it looks. The link to buy all these craft supplies is in description box as well, so you can check that out. Here I have the micro mini pearl beads. These are white in color. I have listed all these supplies in the description box so it's easier for you to check out. Here I have the 5mm styrofoam buds. It is a pack of 25 pieces of 5mm pointed styrofoam buds. Also, I would like to know what's your favorite product from this DT kit, so comment down below. So here I have some of the miniatures from Dress My Craft. So I have 2 bunches of grapes, 4 apples, 4 mangoes. So I have got fruit miniatures, that's the bunch of grapes. Here are the apples. And this is how the mango miniature looks like. So here I'm just showing a little sneak peek of the product. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to our channel so you can have a detailed look on these products later on in my future videos. So now moving on to the next set of miniatures. Here I have miniature bunny. Here I have miniature penguins. Next with me I have these miniature little hen. Also the packaging of these miniatures are so awesome that your miniature won't get spoiled or broken. Next I have the miniature dog in the color white. Here I have the orange miniatures as well. Just not these, Dress My Craft has a huge and wide variety of miniatures, so you can check that out as well. Next here I have these acrylic chains. So I have got in all the shades, that is the white, the black, baby pink, yellow and sky blue. So these are the 5 different shades of acrylic chains available with Dress My Craft, so I have got them all. The next thing which I have in my DT kit are these die cards. These are the little miracle die cards. You can as well go for the motif sheets. I have them as well later in this video which you will see. So here are the die cards. So the next product I have are from the new releases, that is these Dress My Craft embossing folders. This is the heart pattern embossing folder. The next embossing folder design which I have with me is the star pattern embossing folder. The best part about these embossing folders are that they fit in the Easy Cuts die cutting and embossing machine as well. The next design is this dot pattern embossing folder. So the next design which I have is this diamond pattern embossing folder with me. Like how I said, these fit in the Easy Cuts die cutting machine as well. So if you want to know more details about Easy Cuts, check out our video number 73. I as well got the heat resistant tweezers from Dress My Craft in my kit, as these are just amazing and I just love the concept of these. So the next product which I have with me is this hand punch. This is the Dress My Craft hand punch. This is the 1/8 inch hand punch, or you can say this is the 4mm hand punch. They have 3 different variations available, so this is the 4mm one. Next I have some punches. So starting off, this one is the scallop punch. This is the 1.25 inch scalloped circle punch. They as well have different sizes in the scalloped circle punch available as well. So the second punch which I have with me is this 1.5-inch circle punch. In this circle punch as well, they have different sizes available, so you can check out the website as well. So now that's not all for this kit. I have something more in my kit. So let me quickly open this up and see what all other things I have in my kit. So I have got some of the motif sheets which are coordinating to the Dress My Craft paper pads. The first one here is the Little Miracle motif sheet. Earlier in this video you have already seen the die cuts of them, so this is how the motif sheet looks like. The next motif sheet which I have is this Vintage Saga motif sheet. So the next motif sheet which I have with me is this Magical Unicorns motif sheet. All these motif sheets are coordinating to the paper pad which Dress My Craft has in 12x12 and 6x6 inch sizes. So firstly let me show you all the motif sheets. So here again I have the Dots and Stripes motif sheet. You can as well get their paper pads which are coordinating, or as well you can get your hands on these motif sheets individually. Next I have with me is this Romantic Roses motif sheet. So the next motif sheet which I have with me is of their recent launches, which is the Sweet Treats paper pad. So this is the Sweet Treats motif sheet. I as well got a couple of dies from Dress My Craft. So this one is the Christmas Dies Floral Guitar. It is a set of 2 dies. So this is how it looks. The next die set which I got from Dress My Craft is this Flower Making Cutting Dies Flower #1. So that's the number 1. So I hope you enjoyed watching the craft unboxing haul, that is the February month DT kit from Dress My Craft. I have got all these supplies, be it the embossing folders, the acrylic chains, sequins, miniatures, motif sheets, and the heat resistant tweezers and whatnot. So do let me know and comment down which is your favorite product from this haul. I would love to hear from you. So see you soon until next time in another video. Till then, happy crafting.